So the next product I'd like to show you is the Cordless Vertical Blind. The Cordless Vertical Blind is wand operated. Okay, so there's no hanging cords or chains. In the old days, vertical blinds had cords and chains. So today, no. All we do is we sell the wand operated, child safe, ANSI safety standard compliant vertical blinds. Okay, this particular one is with a wand. It's right here, and all you do is you tilt it to open it. Okay, and to traverse it, you just pull across. Really simple to use. Okay. The great thing about this product is it's customizable. We could just get your window opening. You give us a custom size window, and we can make it to size to fit right in there. Okay, we can do that with all of our products. But the great thing about the vertical blind is it could be made in very large widths. So that would cover your sliding glass doors, really large sliding doors, as well as you could use it for room dividers. So this is a great product for that. This particular one is in the white color. It's available in white, ivory, or off-white. Those are the basic colors. That's available on our website at bestcustomscreens.com. Okay, everybody, thank you very much, and have a great rest of your day. Take care.